Hello everybody, it is Mihalko from ReidAboutSex.com, and I'm just going to do a quick little walkthrough of signing up for my affiliate program. And basically, when you click on the link to get to my affiliate sign up, and it should be ReidAboutSex.com/affiliate. And if it's not, just email me, and that should redirect you to this page. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to give me your name, you're going to give me your email, you're going to create your own password, and then you need a PayPal account. So this won't work unless you have a PayPal email. And then you click and you sign up. You should get a confirmation email. Well, let me just try this here. Let me just make up something. So name is Reid. Actually, give me your full name too, because that will help in the system. So there's not like a couple of Reids in there. I'm going to do, I already think I'm signed up, but let's try this. Workshops at ReidMihalko.com. Create a password. Let's see, what am I going to use? I'm not going to tell you what my password is, but you'll make your own and it will be great. And then my PayPal email happens to be that, and I'm just going to use that to see if I can create a new account. And also, that's my PayPal email, so hey, if you just want to send me some money, go for it. So then it creates the account. Okay, so it did work. And it will forward you to your PayPal affiliate situation. I just got alerted that an email came in. So let's see. You'll get a confirmation email that'll look something like this. Your affiliate account has been created. There's your username, which is your email. And then you sign in, blah, blah, blah. You got questions. I have my affiliate guidelines and requirements. So you'll get an email that'll confirm. But back here on your page, you want to save the URL here so that you can come back to it. But it'll allow you to sign out. You can set your settings for your affiliate account, change your password, those kinds of things. You can run reports for clicks and conversions and whatnot. And this is your little dashboard here that will show you how many clicks you got, form submissions, conversions, meaning clicks that turned into sales, and what your conversion rate is. So the shared links, these are the links to things that I make available for my affiliates. Not all the things I do are available for affiliates. And this is your link. It will have a special series of numbers and whatnot so that it will track your specific account. And only these links will work for these things. So don't try to add your affiliate number to the end of some other page of mine, because if it's not authorized for affiliate, it's not going to work. And so like this basic dashboard here will give you all the links that are available. This one's from 2018, so I should probably shut that off because that's really not useful. The direct to webinar, I should probably make that description better, so you know what it is about. It's stuff like this. So basically, I'm just repeating myself, but this is where you go to get your links. And if you need copy for things, then you can email me. And when I announce certain affiliate things, I will usually send all of my affiliates a little email blast that will have copy that you can just copy and paste. So I'm really curious about the direct to webinar. So let's go find out what that is. So I'm using my affiliate link to check it out. If you use your own link and end up registering or buying a product, I will not pay you for that. You're not allowed to use your own links to get discounts on things. Oh, I know what this is. So this is my Learn the 3 Things That Destroy Relationships Over Time webinar. And it's a very good webinar. It's a lot of fun. So I recommend that you send people to it to promote it. And you can just, a lot of times from the actual pages, you can just copy and paste some of the copy and use that to promote. And what you would do, like let's just say you copy that. I'm going to open up just a blank email. And then I'll just use this as kind of like an editing tool. So I copy that. I go back to, that's not what I wanted. There you go. Go back to my dashboard, grab the copy there. And then I just drop that in. And then just because I'm a nerd, I'm going to make it plain text. And so I could just take this, tweak it a little bit. Let's say I'm making it a tweet. Have you checked out at ReidAboutSex's top 3 mistakes even smart people make that cost them their relationships? Discover, let's see, sign up and discover how even smart people get stuck. Sign up via my link and discover how even smart people get stuck in old patterns, following outdated advice that crashes the very problems they want to avoid in their relationships. And maybe I don't like that last sentence. I'm going to say, sign up via my link and discover how even smart people get stuck in old patterns that tank their love life and destroy their relationships. And then I'm going to hashtag it love long and prosper. I don't know why I did that, but that sounds fun. So there you go. I can copy and paste that and drop it into Twitter. The thing I will say is you might want to say things like via my link, because then if somebody accuses you of, oh my God, you sent me an affiliate link, you're like, yeah, I said via my link. Or you could say via my affiliate link if you want to be super transparent about that. Or you could say, use my link so I get credit. Thanks. And discover how even smart people get stuck. So it's going to be your choice about how you let people know if this is an affiliate link or not, around your needs for transparency so that your followers don't get pissed at you. That's going to be my biggest bit of advice and feedback is, some people, it's really important to them to know that if I check out this free webinar, free webinar, top 3 mistakes. So then, if you check out the free webinar, but then they end up buying from me later, you are going to make money. So it's really about you letting them know in a way that's comfortable for you and feels transparent and ethical that you're sending them a link that is an affiliate link. And that's basically it. Copy and paste that and then just throw it on social media. And thanks for supporting my work. I hope this little tutorial helped you along. All right, everybody. If you need help or you have questions, it's Reid at ReidAboutSex.com, or support@ReidAboutSex.com, and I'll try to answer your emails as quickly as possible. I hope you are great, and thanks again for considering being an affiliate. Bye!